YouTube! Y'all know what it is. What's going on? It's Swintnation, back again with another video. And today we're going to be looking at the Smart Motorcycle Helmet by Sena. It's the Momentum Pro. But wait for it. Wait for it. It is with the INC. So, that's the Intelligent Noise Control. So, we're going to do a quick little unboxing. I ain't going to get too heavy with it. I'm going to just do an unboxing. Quick impressions, y'all. And I do have the other helmet. We're just going to do a quick unboxing. And I do also have the other helmet from Sena. Just the regular Momentum Light. But, yeah, let's get this guy open. Been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this, y'all. Have to get this camera charged up. Let's take a look. See what we got here. Nice packaging. Come on, one hand warrior. Let's go. So, get a black bag. Take that out. Set that to the side. What else is in here? A pin lock. Y'all put a pin lock in here? Oh, snaps. Now that's nice. See, the Momentum Light, I guess if you don't spend the bread, they don't feel like they need to send you anything else. But that's it. So, let's take a look. Got the nice Sena bag. Let's get this guy open. Gotta bear with me, people. Trying to be one-handed and semi-professional. Take this guy off. Okay. Another bag. What's up with these bags inside a bag? Alright. Alright, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Woo! There it is. There it is. Seen the Momentum? Alright. Went with the XL for my extra large head. Actually, I'm really a large, but according to, you know, a lot of reviews I've read on just the regular Sena, it's good to go a size up because the cheek pads are real tight. And the other one I'm wearing is an extra large and it fits perfectly. So, I mean, it's comfortable. It's good to wear. My Shoei helmet is a large. That little guy over there is a large. That's a extra large. And this guy is an extra large as well. So, let's see what's in here. See if I can shake it out. Get out of there. Get out of there. Anything else? Nope. So, same thing. Oh, so with the INC, you get ear cups in there. So that's nice. And then you get your instruction booklet, which you definitely want to read so you can learn the voice commands and, you know, how to work the camera. But yeah, this guy, put this down so y'all can take a look. This guy is nice. I mean, it looks just like the regular helmet. You just have this guy. So if you look up top, you have your, whoa, focus, your camera on and off button. You have your active, your, what is it, INC, your Intelligent Noise Control buttons right here. And then on this side, let's hold this pin lock. On this side, oh, real quick, you got your camera power on button, and you also have your SD card slot that goes right here. So it takes a 64 gig SD card. Just pop it in there. And then just like the regular Sena helmets, you have your on button and your volume up and down button. So you have your upper vent. Real clicky. Nice little feedback. And your lower vent. Nice clicky feed. It comes with a little sticker up top for your lens. I'm a little worried, like what if this thing gets scratched up or, you know, something like a rock hits it or a bug, you know, but I think it'll be all right. I think it'll be all right. so far, I mean, I'm liking it. I was a little worried. This is like a little mohawk on this dude. See if y'all can see that. Let me get this out the belly so you can see the background. But it's kind of like a mohawk on there. What's this? It's definitely a fingerprint magnet. That's for sure. Definitely a fingerprint magnet, but I kind of like the mohawk look. As y'all can see, that's pretty neat. So the real big question is going to be, how's the video and how's the audio when riding? So I'm going to be testing it out for you guys and let you know what it's like. I will make a video with the I'm gonna make a pretty in-depth video of the audio qualities. I'm gonna do day riding with sunny weather. I'm gonna try to catch some cloudy weather, and I mean, might as well try it at nighttime, see how it does performing in low light. And I will also, you know, you will see how it sounds, and you know, I'll give y'all my feedback on it when I do a more in-depth review. I probably have to do a couple videos on this, you know, just going over the review and then, you know, diving into the settings a little bit later, and you know, once I get a feel and learn, you know, the voice commands and all that stuff, how this helmet's working out. But hey, this is just a quick unboxing, nothing crazy professional, you know, just showing you the contents of what comes in the bag with NC. So just a quick unboxing of the Sena Momentum Pro INC, showing you guys, you know, what comes in the box, what to be expected. And I could have swore I saw in the previous video this was a green box, but it is black or gray or whatever. So that's interesting. They changed the box design. Maybe just because I have the INC Pro, but who knows. But yo, Sena, good looking for including the pin lock, because this guy didn't have it, and riding without a pin lock was terrible. Terrible. I mean, it was raining inside my helmet. So hey, nice look. But hey, I'll catch you guys on the next video, man. And here are some clips of me with the helmet on, just showing you what it's like. Put the dark shield on so you can see what it's like. And hey, if you like this video, go and hit that like button. If you want to see more content on this helmet, it's coming. Actually, a lot more content on other things are coming. I don't just do motorcycle stuff. I do tech. I do whatever I want. So hey, stay tuned in to Swintnation. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.